everybody, Samantha Shriver, Independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, coming to you guys today with a new card tutorial. Today we're going to make this super quick and easy card using the Rainbow of Happiness stamp set and the Sunshine and Rainbows Designer Series paper, which is free with a $50 order, part of our Celebration special, which is going on now through February 28th. So I just wanted to show you guys a very quick and easy, simple stamping card with this set. If you don't mind liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and leaving me a comment below, you'll be entered into my giveaway to win this card. I'll pick a winner next weekend and then get that out into the mail to you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend. I just wanted to extend a very warm welcome to my newest team member, Brigitte, who joined my team this week. I just wanted to let you guys know that Celebration is the best time to purchase the starter kit. Now through February 28th, the starter kit is $99 plus tax, free shipping. You choose up to $125 worth of product of your choice, and during Celebration you can also choose 2 additional stamp sets of your choice on top of that for free. So it is an absolutely wonderful time to join. If you guys have any questions about joining or the starter kit, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm more than happy to answer them, and I would love to have you guys on my team. Thank you. Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a very easy, simple stamping card. This is a quick and easy card. The only stamping that we're going to be doing is for our cinnamon. So first we'll be using the Sunshine and Rainbows Designer Series paper pack. This is a 6x6 paper pack that you can earn for free during Celebration with a $50 purchase. So from that paper pack, we are going to be using this polka dot paper, which I cut to 5 1/4 by 4 inches. We will be using our card base, which is an 8 1/2 by 11 piece of paper cut in half and then folded in half. We'll also be using this rainbow DSP paper from that same pack. We're going to fussy cut our rainbow out of this. So very quick and easy card, even that rainbow is not stamped. So for our rainbow, we're just going to quickly cut around this, leaving a white border, just a small white border around the edge. You're going to be rotating your paper, not the scissors, when you do this. This is just another quick and easy thing that you can do to make a quick card, or if you have a stamped image set but you do not have the coordinating die set, you can just fussy cut that stamped image out. And I'm just going to round these edges out a little bit. And the same on this side. Then we're going to do our middle part of the rainbow. Just rotating that paper. And I'm just going to try to round out these edges as well. And that one I don't have to do, but just this one a little bit. Okay. So there's our rainbow. Next, I'm just going to adhere my Designer Series paper to my card base. And we'll just center this paper so that there's a border going around your card. Then we're going to grab our scalloped rectangle. This is what we'll stamp our sentiment on. And for this, I use the Scallop Contours die set. And then I use the third largest scallop rectangle die in that set. For our sentiment, we're using the Rainbow of Happiness stamp set in the You Make Me Happy sentiment. This is a photopolymer stamp set. I have my image on my block already, so we're just going to use our Magenta Madness ink pad. And we'll stamp our sentiment towards the bottom of this die cut. Then we're going to take our rainbow and our dimensionals, and we'll just pop this rainbow up. And we'll just center that over the sentiment. Then next, we're going to take our iridescent rhinestone die jewels. I love these. These are in the new mini catalog, and I've used them a lot. So we are going to use the medium ones. We'll put one here. One there, and then we're going to take a small one and we'll just put that over here. Then we'll take another medium one. We'll put that on the side over here. And then one last small one. Now we're just going to adhere this to our card base, which I should have done before I put the rhinestones on, but you know, why make it easy? So we'll just take this and adhere this to the middle of our card base. Just want to lift this up so I can see. All right, perfect. So there is our finished card. Very quick and simple card if you need to make something very quickly to give to somebody. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me a comment below.